So I never filmed in this spa, but I thought I'll try it, you know, just for a change. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So into this video we're gonna be talking all about Temu, and we're gonna find out if it's actually worth the hype. I filmed the first part of this video a while ago, so I'm gonna show you guys me unboxing my very first Temu parcels, and then we're gonna come back here and talk about it. Let's roll the clips. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut through the chase. I received some Temu parcels and I'm gonna unbox them because I got quite a few things for my apartment and I need those things in order to move on with the decoration, organization, whatever you want to call it. So let's crack them open, shall we? I'm gonna start with this little one. I don't get why they put so much like tape around these, but I guess it is what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna put on the screen a photo of how these objects look like on the website and also what the price is, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the product I got looks like. So I'm gonna start off with this little thing here. This is a toothpaste dispenser, I guess that's how you can call it. Let me just take it off the little wrap. So this is how it looks like. It comes already with the tape part where you can just like attach it to the wall. I'll need to test all these products, so I will let you know at the end if they actually do their job. But yeah, this is the first thing I got. Next up I got some little organizers for the food. I believe these are condiment storage rack, and this is how they look like. So it looks like you can easily cut through these and use them separately if you need to. I don't know if I will end up using these or not, but I think they could be quite handy. Then next up I got this little umbrella thingy. The picture on the website was super cute, but looking at these in person I'm not quite sure. I mean, maybe it could be cute. I wanted to put these in the entrance, but I'm not a big fan of these color. I like the pink one. I think the pink one is cute. These other two, I don't know what color they're supposed to be, but they're just so ugly. Anyway, that's my first parcel. Let's move on to the second one. This is such a big boy. Oh, I feel like I needed tweezers. But of course, I don't have any in hand. Oh my god. Whose idea was it to just tape it? Why would you tape it? I don't get it. That took all my energy. First thing I see is these little vinyl, what are these called, like book holders type of thing. Like this is how it looks like, and it's supposed to stop your book from moving. I got these for our vinyls, but then I found a different solution for them. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these now. I also don't really know their return policy, so that's something I should probably look into. Next up I got a little stencil, I think this is. I believe this should say you look beautiful, and I wanted to put it in the bathroom mirror. Yeah, that's it. You look amazing, and this is way too big. Oh shit. The mirror that I wanted to put these into is literally so tiny, so this is not gonna fit in there at all, but I'm sure I'll find somewhere else to put this. Oh my gosh, I should have looked for the size. This is so disappointing. So moving on with the same team, I also got this one. If my boyfriend knows that I got it, he will literally kill me, but I thought it looked super cute on the website, so I wanted to give it a go as well. And then next up I got this little thing to brush the dishes. I thought it was super cute and smart. I hate to grab a sponge with my hands to clean the dishes, and so I thought this was gonna be quite handy. This is actually quite cute. Except I got this little hanger thingy. I'm confused. I need to look at the picture because I think it was different, but I'll update you guys if it works. Next up, there's a bit of a cacti theme going on, but my only concern is that this is literally huge, so not sure about this. I don't know if I can bring it back though, so yeah, I'll have to see about this one. But this is very cute. So this is a little toothbrush holder. I think it's super duper cute. Very obsessed with this. Like, I generally thought these were gonna be the same size, but they're not. Anyway, moving on, I got these other little thing, which I believe is a soap dispenser. Why are these things so huge? I don't know if these would work with what I was planning on using it for. Moving on with the bathroom things, I got these little things to put my shaver in. Then I got these little leaf for the kitchen sponge. I could, you know, this is quite big and I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller, and it's probably the only thing that I'm happy about being bigger than what it should have been, because my sponge will fit perfectly. But yeah, got this one. And these are the things I needed. So I got this little hook thingy, which I don't even know how to call, but I'm gonna use these to put my fairy light wall up, the same ones that I had up in my last room. So yeah, I'm quite excited for these. And then lastly, I got this little cloud container thingy. I quite liked it because it goes over a cabinet or like a door, whatever. I thought it was super cute. So but yeah, that's everything I got so far. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed the little haul. Welcome to current days. As of today, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Temu orders. Fun fact, I actually placed the very last one as of today, last night. So that says something, but let me walk you guys through my orders and then we can talk about it. Clearly you saw the first 2 orders that I made. I'm not gonna lie, there were some flops in there. I got my phone with me because I'm on the app right now so that I know what I'm talking about. But yeah, other than a few bits, I kind of regret all the other things that I ordered, and so I went ahead and requested a refund. And fun fact, they gave me a refund but told me that I could keep the items, so that's kind of sweet. I was super skeptical with their customer service, but they're actually quite great. So thumbs up for Temu customer service. A couple more bits that I ordered that I'm currently using in my flat, I'm actually quite liking them, are these little laundry containers. I got one in white and one in black so that we could divide the clothes by color, and I think these are quite cute. And then I also got a little mat for the bathroom shower, and it does the job. I think the quality overall is quite good. I'm just smedged with myself because I definitely got the wrong color, but that is on me. Fun fact, if I were to sum up all my orders, the total would be £73.65, and I mean, that is a lot. Of course, I did get a refund for some of the items, so if we calculate that as well, the total will go down. But definitely shopped on this app more than I like to admit. Something I learned though is that it's not worth to spend your money for bits and bobs that are like £1, because the quality will reflect the price. I don't mind Temu existing, and price wise it's definitely better than its competitors like Shein or Wish, but as everything with these type of sites, you do get some hits but you also get some miss, and I feel like I've been getting a mix of both, and these puts me in a uncomfortable position because I'm not too sure if I should give Temu a thumbs up or not. Again, their customer service is quite good, so if you end up getting something that you don't like, you can return it with no fuss. And also they do free shipping, which most of the other companies don't. For that, I will definitely give them a thumbs up. But when it comes to the product quality, I can only speak for the bits that I got, not for the you know, whole catalog that they got going on their website. I mean, it's not hurting anyone, it's a fun way to shop, so why not? Thumbs up. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. But tell me in the comments below if you did shop at Temu, what do you think of it? And if you're new to my channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you around. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Seriously though, this ball is kind of cool.